Hey, good afternoon. This is Tim Border of J.H. Barkau & Sons in Cedarville. You can reach me by phone or text at 815-718-9288. And this is our 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. It's an 8-passenger minivan. It's the all-new Chrysler Pacifica. This has a 3.6-liter V6 in it. It's very nicely equipped. Power driver seat. Automatic doors, power liftgate, 8-passenger seating, easy stow and go seating, power fold second row power stow and go. Has the Bluetooth hands-free phone, cruise control, driver information center, AM/FM radio with CD. Also has Uconnect for your hands-free phone operation. Media player so you can connect any of your devices into auxiliary outputs. You have another charging position and a 115 volt outlet down there. A USB and a 12 volt power outlet. Electronic parking brake, automatic transmission. These are awesome vehicles. We're selling a lot of them. Also has Sirius satellite radio. So this is available here at our Cedarville store. 30,073 miles on it. And red velvet pearl coat. Fantastic color. I'm sorry, I apologize for it being dirty, but they're picking the fields and stuff around here. So look forward to hearing back from you. I hope you're having a great Thursday. 30,073 miles. This is one of our Internet One price specials at $21,952, and this is the 2017 all-new Chrysler Pacifica Touring 8-passenger minivan with a 3.6-liter V6. 815-718-9288. Again, my name is Tim Border at J.H. Barkau & Sons in Cedarville, and I'm one of the Chrysler product specialists here. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Bye.